Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at etrade and I have this account set up for my daughter, trying to teach her a little bit about investing and dividend investing specifically. Hopefully I can convince her to join the FIRE movement and we'll see how that goes. But one of the companies that she really likes, okay, Coke, obviously, right? We all love Coke. And VFC. Now, what is VFC? Okay, they're a clothing manufacturer. And we did a lot of research. I posted a video on it. Go check that out. But VFC is manufactures vans and sells them in the US. So that my daughter loves vans. Okay, so this is a way for her to invest. So here we go. What we're going to do is buy one share of VFC. Okay. Okay, it's not a big deal, right? But it's going to give you the basic idea. So we're going to go here. We're going to go to buy. Okay, buy stocks. You can see there's enough buying power for one share. I'm going to buy. Okay. So this will be executed when the market opens. And I think this is a good price. We're dollar cost averaging in, obviously. See if we can take a look here. All right. So we're going to say place order. All right. Obviously the market is closed right now, but it'll go into effect as soon as the market opens here shortly. And yeah, there we go. All right. You can see the market will be open in a little while here, and it'll be executed. So, and then we'll have another share of VFC in our portfolio, and be getting paid dividends. You can see dividends have already been paid previously, and we're accumulating more stock, and it's compounding at a pretty slow rate because there's not much here. But you know, it's just this is basically just a starter investing. Hopefully, this will catch on, and encourage you guys to talk to your kids about investing early and set up an account here at eTrade or somewhere that you guys can both do together and be pretty cool. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and join the channel for some real stock trades, real-time stock trades. Thanks for watching.